Hello everybody, this is Mike Damico from Burlington, Kentucky. I'm going to give you a tour of our car. And notice we have mirrors under the car so that you can get a good look at the stainless steel satin finish frame. This was purchased from DeLorean Industries a couple of years ago. There's a good shot of the transmission with the brass bolts. Scan over here to the fuel cover, which is stainless steel and it's brushed thanks to Mike up at Midwest. Nice job. There's your cooling tubes. That is a 304 grade stainless with DMC decals that I had made. Obviously the front end. Let's get a shot going through to the end. Stainless steel bug guard. Something I did myself was paint all the black fiberglass underneath and in the door jambs, in the trunk area, and the walls of the engine bay. That's a good shot of the engine and exhaust underneath. This is a stage 2 done by Mike up at Midwest and his crew with a stage 1 stainless steel exhaust system with ceramic coating. Dressed it up a little bit with a stainless coil box. Had the grills changed out. Actually, I did that. Then a finishing strip that was cracked. All right, let me get to the other side. There we go. The stainless steel came from DMC. There's the plaque with the information from the stage 1 performance upgrade. I know some of you guys are not going to like some of the little extras that I did, but like that, and that. Seat covers have been changed. Other than that, the interior is completely original. Hey, there's the flux. I like the trunk. Really looks clean. One thing I definitely want to show you is the storyboard. Anyway, I'm going to stop for now, and as soon as I get it off of the display stands and onto the driveway, then I'll start it and I'll do a little video of that. Thanks, bye. I was asked to show some of the props that we use for Halloween every year. One thing we do is we dress like Doc and Marty, take pictures alongside the car with the kids, and they really seem to like that. I'll scan around the room. Flexing. Quotes from the movie. All clocks are set for 10:04. We do have a TV that is playing the movie the whole time on mute because the soundtrack's playing. And when the soundtrack's playing, the lights under the car, they're sound activated, so there's beams shooting out from underneath the car. Looks great. I'm sure everyone recognizes these. You would not believe how many kids think that these dogs are real. That's St. Patty's Day Parade, Cincinnati, Ohio, every year, except for last year. Doc's glasses. Clock from the opening of the first movie. That's a glass display case. Holds my cars. That poster back there, that's an original 1981 US Open tennis introduction to the car. That's signed by Catherine. There you go. Okay, over here, these are plates from past shows, Chicago, Gettysburg. There's Lexington and Dayton, Ohio. We picked these up out in California during the We're Going Back week. This clock came out of a video store from the 80s. Runs backwards, and it actually runs. So, there you go. That's everything we do for Halloween. Okay, everybody. As you can see, the car's off the display stands and out on the driveway. Time to start it. Remember, this is a stage 2, not a stage 1, like I said earlier. The upgrade done by Mike at Midwest, Crystal Lake, Illinois. By the way, thanks to Chris Nicholson for the nice job he did. All the dents, everything regrained. Great job, Chris. That hood had a few dings on it, that's for sure. Look at that metal. I want to thank everybody that had their hands on this car. Did a nice job.